Hi guys, myself Manoj.M. In this video, I am going to explain you about the OR gate. Okay, let us write OR gate here. In this video, I am going to explain you about the symbol working and the OR gate truth table, properties of OR gate, and then we discuss the examples on OR gate. Okay, so let us first write the symbol. Okay, symbol. Let us write the symbol for the OR gate. Yeah, like this is A, this is B, output is Y. Y is equal to A plus B. This is for two input, okay. Let us write three input OR gate here, okay. Three input OR gate, yeah. Let this be A, B, C. Let Y is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. Let us discuss the working of this here. Let us write working here. It working is simple, guys. If any one of the input is 1, the output is 1. That means if A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, the output is 1. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, output 1, and then A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, the output is 1. Otherwise, it's 0. Okay, let us write the working here. If any input is active I, that is 1, output is 1. Okay. Let us write the truth table here. Truth table A, B, Y, yeah, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Yeah. 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. We know that when any one of the input is 1, the output is 1. L 0, 0 plus 0, yeah, we know that 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, it's also 1, yeah. I hope you understand the truth table. Let next discuss the properties of OR gate, okay. Yeah, I will write it here. Properties of OR gate, yeah. Let us change this to blue, okay. First one, yeah. Let us consider two input OR gate. Let the input for this terminal is A and input for this terminal is 0. Y is equal to what? Yeah, right. Let us check it here only. Yeah, you can see that here it's 0 and it's 0. Here A is 0. Then you are seeing that the output is 0. Here A is 1. The output is 1. Simply write Y is equal to A. Let us move to the next property. Okay. And for this terminal input is 1, Y is equal to, yeah, let us check it in the truth table. Here when the B is 1, that means this one and this one case, the output is 1, right? Yeah, let's write 1 here and move to the next case, okay. Here let it would be A, yeah. Here we are sorting the input, okay. For the both the terminals, the input is A, Y is equal to what we need to find out, right? Yeah, you can see that When both the inputs are 0, 0, the output is 0. When the both the inputs are 1 and 1, the output is 1. Right? Guys, next let us solve some problems, okay? Yeah, here we have to find output for TTL logic and ECL logic. In TTL logic, we know that the not connected terminals or logic I, okay, write it here. Not connected terminals is logic 1. For the ECL logic, not connected terminal is logic 0. Okay. Yeah, let us move simply this side. Yeah. Let us make it terminals. Okay, that's it. You can move this side. Okay, right. Yeah. Let us change this color to green. Okay, yeah. Let's first find the output for DTL logic. Where the not connected terminal is logic 1, right? 1 year, and 1 year. Okay. Yeah, we know that when one input is A, the other input is 1, the output is 1. Here, the output is B plus C. Here also the output is 1. Okay, one input is C and another input is 1. Yeah, it's 1 like this. We have written for the one input is A and another one input is 1. Yeah, okay. Here the output is 1 because one of the input is 1, the output is 1, and then the one input is 1, the other input is 1. So then the final output is also 1. Y is equal to 1 for TTL logic. Okay, let us change the color. Okay, let us change the color. Let us take this, then click on OK. Yeah, let us find out for the ECL logic. In the ECL logic, we know that the not connected terminal is logic 0, here 8 0, here 8 0, here 8 0. Yeah, we know that in this situation, the output is A, right? A here. Here the output is simply as B plus C. Here the output is C. Okay, and then next write the output here as A plus B plus C, and then Y is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, here this is the output for ECL logic. Yeah, okay, let us next solve the waveform. Okay, here the question is to find the A plus B. Yeah, here in this case, the A input is 1 and the B input is 0, the output is 1. Okay, and in the next case, we have seen that here in this case, A input is 0, B input is 1, the output is 1. And then in the next case, also A input is 0, B input is 1, the output is 1. In this case, A input is 1, B input is 0, the output is 1. Okay, in this case, A input is 0, B input is 0. The here in the next case, A input is 0, B input is 1, the output is 1. Okay. Guys, I hope you understand how I written the waveform and how I solved the previous problem, and you have complete clarity of the OR gate, how it works, and the truth table and the symbol. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys.